Hello, my name is Wyatt McAllister, and I'm currently studying electrical engineering at Bard College at Simon's Rock. This past summer, I decided to build a Tesla coil as an electrical engineering project. The design was pioneered by Nikola Tesla, and it was originally envisioned as a way to wirelessly transmit energy. However, because of the enormous voltages required, it wasn't able to be used for its original purpose because the voltage required was so great that it broke down in air. And right now it's just a lightning machine. I did a lot of research online throughout the whole summer about the theory behind it and what materials are used and where they can be obtained. I found several websites that helped me find the ideal specifications for optimum performance, and I made the entire apparatus by hand from materials that can be found at a consumer electronics store or at Home Depot. There were about 5 pieces to it. One was a 2-tiered base that the whole thing is structured around. On the top tier, it has the primary coil, which I made out of 1/4-inch refrigerator tubing that I wound around a wooden frame that I drilled by hand. And then out of that, it sticks the secondary coil, which I made out of a PVC pipe and magnet wire that I wound by hand and coated. And that's stuck down through a hole onto the first tier, which has the capacitors that I made out of Snapple bottles filled with salt water, wrapped with tin foil, and with a layer of mineral oil on top to prevent arcing. And I wired the whole thing by hand with 600-volt wire, which I found to be the most cost-effective space to make sure it didn't spark. And I made the spark gap, which is also on the bottom tier, out of a PVC pipe that I drilled by hand and affixed screws on either side. And then I have 2 custom pieces that I had to special order. One is an NST transformer that's on the bottom tier, and the other one is a spun aluminum torus that goes on top of the secondary coil and is where the voltage builds up and where it arcs off. So I hope you'll see this as an accurate demonstration of my skill and dedication to my work, and I hope you can see the beauty of this apparatus.